All right, welcome. In this short video, I'm gonna teach you exactly the perfect form for doing a barbell curl or an easy bar curl, and it's gonna help you a ton with your bicep game. I think you're gonna like this.
FitFatherProject.com.
All right, so to get started, the first thing you wanna do, and I'm demonstrating here a barbell version of this curl, you could be doing this with an easy bar, but you wanna grip around shoulder width. You don't wanna do a really wide grip. You don't wanna really do a narrow grip. Pick a natural grip for your shoulder. And the first thing you wanna do is stand up nice and tall. Good straight posture. And I want you to squeeze the crap out of the bar. It's one of the most important things when doing any arm exercise, is really squeeze the bar. And now you're gonna keep your core tight, stand up straight, and you're gonna curl right on up, and at the top, you're still trying to supinate those arms, meaning I'm taking my pinkies and I'm trying to twist them outwards to get that really good contraction. And I'm coming right back down nice and slowly, and at the bottom, I actually flex my triceps a little bit to stretch the biceps, and I curl right back up again. Boom, slow and controlled, feel that squeeze at the top, and then come right back down slowly. I want you to really focus on that slow negative, because that slow negative is what really gives you the opportunity to feel that bicep contract, because bicep work, like curls, or whether I'm doing barbell curl like I am now, or dumbbells, is all about that contraction. You gotta feel the muscle working. Otherwise, you're doing some of this jerky crap that you see guys do at the gym where they're kind of like humping the air and the bar's coming up. That's not working your biceps. So slow, controlled on the way up. Squeeze that bicep at the top for a second. Slowly unwind it. Stretch, flex that tricep at the bottom, then do your next rep. Right on up, squeeze the top, feel that contraction, come right back down. And that is how you do a barbell curl or an easy bar curl. And I gotta say, easy bar curls are typically a little easier on your wrists and your elbows. So I'm using a standard barbell here, but if you have access at your gym, home to an easy bar, one of those cambered wavy looking bars, that can be a better option. It puts your wrist in a little more of an advantageous position than the barbell. But go forth, enjoy this exercise. If you want help and tips on some of the other best exercises, check out our YouTube channel. Links are all over the place here. And you can also get some of our free workout programs. Links are below as well for our muscle building programs, fat loss programs. I think you're really gonna like those. So hope to see you in more future videos. I'll talk to you soon, my friend.